Whispers in the Wind. In the small town of Willowbrook, an old, abandoned house stood on the edge of the forest, shrouded in mystery and local lore. Known for strange noises and whispers in the wind, the house was a source of both fear and fascination. Emily Clark, a young woman new to Willowbrook with a passion for history and mystery, decided to investigate the house, driven by the intriguing stories she had heard from her new neighbors. One crisp autumn afternoon, Emily approached the house, which was overgrown with weeds and ivy. The front door creaked open, and she stepped inside, greeted by the musty smell of dust and old wood. The interior was filled with forgotten remnants of the past, furniture draped in white sheets, faded photographs, and cobwebs. Among the debris, Emily discovered a small box containing an old locket and a stack of letters tied with a ribbon. The locket, intricately engraved, held a portrait of a man and a woman. The note found with the locket read, "To find the truth, listen to the whispers in the wind." The letters, addressed to Dear Margaret and signed Yours Forever, Thomas, revealed a poignant love story between Thomas and Margaret, full of longing and separation. One of the letters mentioned a hidden message for those who seek the truth beyond the veil of time. Intrigued, Emily felt compelled to find out more. Her exploration led her to a narrow staircase at the back of the house, which took her to the second floor. There, she discovered a small, immaculate room with a large mirror and a writing desk. On the desk was a leather-bound book filled with sketches of the house, a map of hidden passages, and notes about a secret chamber beneath the house. The sketches showed a labyrinth of tunnels leading to a central point marked with a symbol that matched the one on the locket. Following the clues from the book, Emily found a trap door hidden under a rug in the center of the room. She opened it and descended a narrow staircase into an underground chamber. The chamber was cool and filled with old books, artifacts, and a stone pedestal with a large chest on top. Opening the chest, Emily found more documents, photographs, and a final letter from Thomas. In this letter, Thomas explained that the whispers in the wind were meant to remind people that the past never truly leaves us. The house had been a place of love and knowledge, preserved by Thomas and Margaret's passion for history. The final message was that their love and their story had left a lasting legacy. Emily felt a profound connection to the past as she read the letter. The house, once a source of fear and mystery, had shared its true story with her. The whispers in the wind had guided her to understand that the echoes of the past are part of a continuous narrative that lives on. Emerging from the underground chamber into the sunlight, Emily felt a sense of peace and fulfillment. The whispers in the wind had revealed a beautiful truth about enduring love and the impact of preserving history. The old house, now no longer just a relic of forgotten times, had imparted its story to her, and she would always remember the lesson it had taught her.